Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Zach the Fisherman. I'm here. Today we're finally fishing the North Saskatchewan River. I'm all set up, rod's in the water, it's giving it a soak. Let's hopefully catch something nice, something big. Big walleye would be cool. Big anything would be cool. Big sucker, 27-inch sucker, dude. I'd lose my mind. Anyways, guys, we're just gonna let that soak. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh yeah, and by the way, we're using a simple sturgeon rig, slip rig, whatever you want to call it. See you guys when there's a bite or something exciting happens, or I move. Who knows? Yeah. I think I have a fish on. I actually think I have a fish on. I think I got a fish on. Oh, I do have a fish on. What is it? Oh, it's a little burbot. Oh, I got a burbot. You're greasy. Ow. This guy, he swallowed it, so I'm just gonna snip the line off. He's not going to survive if I remove that hook. But look, it's a greasy old river burbot. Greasy old guy there, buddy. Let's go back, buddy. That's my first not small river burbot. He was pretty small, but you know. Well, the new rod's christened with a burbot. Kind of greasy, but I'll take it. Let's just wait a little bit longer, see what else we can catch. There's no real target species for today. It's whatever bites. Let's catch as many fish as possible. Why won't the fish bite? Come on, guys, just eat it. Odds are you eat it. 1 and 2. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 2. It's been a few hours. I caught a burbot by complete fluke. Not even gonna lie about it. I'm getting cold. I need to move. Waders are the most ideal apparel for everyday life. Come on, buddy guy. Just go off. Oh, there's a ladybug. Okay, I bet you I know what my problem is. Take this bell off, let's not lose it. Throw it on the cap. Be kind of annoying. That's okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got nothing. So, when I was fishing here, or when I caught that, I can't move my head. When I was fishing here and I caught that burbot, I did not bomb this line out. It was honestly a cast that I was like, oh, that cast is gonna suck. And I caught a fish, and I should have took that information with that lame cast. Nice, I'm snagged. And I should have thought about it a little harder, and I should have just not been bombing out the cast as far. But I didn't. So here we are, not catching any fish. With all our minnows gone. That's still sliding smoothly. Let's give this a shot. Lame casts. Still took forever to get to the bottom perfect, but this time we're a little further down the river and we're a little bit not so much in the middle. Let's give this a simple shot. Nothing wrong with trying something. It's that time of day. Lunchtime. And I'm hoping that by eating lunch, I can convince the fish into eating lunch and I can catch a fish. It's all about the mind games, buddy. This food is so good. I would much rather have worm and minnows. Worm and minnows all the way. I just might eat all the worms and minnows. Seems really tasty, just like a big ball of worm and minnow. Nice presentation. Right on the bottom too. But I'm stuck with shreddies, a sandwich, and a strawberry yogurt bar. Oh, I just got a bite. Not even kidding. Not even kidding. Going. Got a fish. See, buddy? Sometimes you just gotta play those psychological head games with the fish. Pro tips with Zach. It's a tiny walleye. Choo. Hooks popped right out. Look at that little guy. Spicy. Enjoy, buddy. You're pretty small, and I tricked you into eating, but wasn't it tasty? It was probably super tasty. I'm telling you, psychological games with the fish always work. I can't believe that actually worked. Oh, there's a fish on there. Going, going. Going. GoPro died on me and I lost my fish. It is what it is. I hate these fish. They're not very big at all though. I think that's my problem. I'm using a big circle hook, so I'm not changing my tactic. I'm happy if I'm not catching walleye that big. So this afternoon has been very eventful. No fish though. I think they're playing psychological games with me because I've had hook set after hook set after hook set, unable to catch fish, and then once I actually bring one to shore, he gets off and swims away. He was small anyways, I don't care, it was a small walleye, but should I just apologize for playing that silly game on them? We're still waiting on a bite. It's been, I think I caught that fish around 1 o'clock. It is now 4:30. Please let me catch one of you. Going. Wonder what it is. Oh, it's a tiny walleye. Look at that. Tiny little walleye. Feisty little walleye too. You want to go back home? Look at you. All pretty. Ready to swim away on me. See you, dude. Now, if only we could get some size to that walleye. That'd be cool. Or, you know, catch a different species. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. I'll see you in the truck in a few seconds. Today was eventful, sort of, kind of. I caught a few fish, caught some burbot out of the river. They're kind of rare in the river because you can't really catch them in the summertime. So, rare fish. I don't know. I psychologically caught a walleye. That was pretty sick. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment something, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys are interested in some hats. Message me on Instagram or Facebook, either or, and I will get back to you. They should be coming in the next few weeks here. I'm not 100% sure. Waiting on shipping. So, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming along, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.